This is an inflatable travel cushion designed to make long periods of sitting more comfortable, whether you're on a flight, at the office, or sitting in a stadium. The inflatable design makes it easy to pack because you can deflate it when you're not using it, helping save space in your carry-on or travel bag. When needed, simply inflate it and place it on your seat for added cushioning and support. I like the versatility because it's not limited to airplane travel. You can also use it on office chairs, stadium seats, or other firm seating when you want an extra layer of comfort. It's portable and TSA approved, making it especially convenient for frequent travelers and long flights. If you're looking for a compact seat cushion that's easy to carry and works in different settings, this inflatable travel cushion is a practical addition to your travel gear.